Hey guys, welcome back to Always in Profits page. Today is on 9th September 2023, and we're going to be looking at the weekly focus of Euro USD this week. And yeah, so where we're going to begin, we're going to begin first in the Forex factory. That's always how you should begin a week, seeing which news is going on throughout the week. And we can see if we clear out the filters, we can see that the news this week that is major is CPI and PPI. You see, so core retail sales and CPI on Wednesday, unemployment rates on monetary policy statement on Thursday together with PPI, and on Friday we're gonna be having Empire State Manufacturing Index. So this week will be a crazy week because it's a week filled with reds, so it will be a bumpy week, and maybe this week will give the necessary push for either EU to go higher or EU now to show the next buyers of this week. So with that in mind, we head over to TradingView. When we go over to TradingView, we can always start with the daily time frame. So we can start here below with the normal demand where the market still is. And last week I expected price to close above this high, which is on the we can see it better on the 4 hour, this one. But what market did, it came and tapped this zone and then sold off impulsively. That was around New York session, you see. So this week I'm expecting price to go higher, first to clear out this high, this one, and if it clears this high, now we'll confirm price is going higher. But on the 15 minutes, it's starting to give bullish analysis and bullish signs, because on the daily and 4 hour it's still bearish, but on the 15 it has started to align with the bullish time frame. If I place the 15-minute chart, we can see this is the analysis I have for this week, and I'll explain it further because this is the bias I have. So last week on September, we had this low which was cleared out around 7 September. You see, it was cleared out. Now it created a low which we indicated as a weak swing, because I expected price maybe will come back and then continue going lower. But what did the price do? It came and cleared out this high, this high that caused this low and the break of this low. And if you can see, we saw price create a change of character and then finally come and create an icos. So we switched the things from a 15-minute weak to a 15-minute strong. And how do we turn this? We turn this when a strong zone, when a weak zone breaks a strong zone. Now it becomes a strong zone because it's hard for price to come down here. But remember, the 4 hour and the daily has not yet aligned with the 15-minute bias, and that will only happen when this high, this one, is taken out. Because I still wanted to put this as a big swing, but I saw this market structure and said, let's just put this as at the back of our heads, that this is the high that we need to see to be taken out. Because if you go to the 4 hour, we can see that that's the high. You see, it's the high we're waiting for to be taken out, but it has not yet been taken out. So maybe this week the impulse of the news will give us the necessary push to go higher. So basically, this is simply what I have for this week, and I have these zones where market is at the moment, but there's some liquidity lying down here, so I'm not yet too strong on this zone. There's this liquidity at the bottom, this triple bottoms here, so I see this zone might be used to create an entry model to take price higher. So that's what I have for this week. Nothing much, because the market has not yet played out. Things might change throughout the week. This low might be taken out, but this is what I have according to today's bias. And yeah, that's all I have. If you have any questions this week, I'll make sure to give an update as the week continues. From Monday, at least we'll have a clear example of what's going to happen throughout the week, because Monday is when the market rebalances itself and we prepares itself for news. Because if one thing I can tell you about news, you can see it ahead. You can see it so far ahead. Like even Monday, let's say this low is protected and then it comes, it takes out this high. Sure, but news is gonna push price high. It's gonna continue pushing price high. But if this low and the daily low is taken out, price will continue pushing lower. You see? Yeah, so that's one thing I can say. And nothing much. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Today is not a long video because there's nothing much to explain. Because this was the low, Asia low for last week on Friday. It was taken out, it was wicked out, and London created this low, and it created this high. So it was taken out, and now we're looking to take this liquidity to target and take price higher from this zone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.